Before using your wheelchair, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To power on the device, press the power button. The device will beep and indicate the battery level on the top and the speed level on the bottom. The speed level will always default to the last speed adjusted on the controller. To increase or decrease the speed level, use the buttons on the bottom of the controller. To beep the horn, push the horn button. Use the joystick to control movement, speed, and direction. When you're done using your power wheelchair, simply press the power button to turn the device off.